Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya Yunrol with Ink, Paper, Scissors. Welcome back to another 5-Minute Friday, where we create a quick and fun card in just a few minutes. Today, we're making a heartfelt card featuring stamping, Copic coloring, and a touch of sparkle with Stickles. Let's jump right in. First, I'm grabbing my Mini Misty, because let's be honest, I want these stamped images to be crisp and perfect. I've got two A2 panels of Nina Classic Crest cardstock and my go-to black ink for Copic coloring, Memento Tuxedo Black. I'm using Gina K Designs You Are So Loved stamp set, and I'm stamping this beautiful image with the hands 4 times onto my panels. Now that my images are stamped, it's time to color. I'm pulling out my Copic markers, using a variety of E-tones to create different skin tones, because representation matters. For the sleeves, I'm going with a fun mix of purple, blue, and green, and for the hearts, I'm sticking to reds, pinks, and corals, keeping it bright and happy. I'm not showing all the coloring in this video, but if you're interested in Copic coloring tips, I've got some other videos on my channel where I dive into shading and blending, so be sure to check those out. Once all my hands are colored, which doesn't take long since the images are pretty small, I'm running them through my die cutting machine to cut them all out. Now let's move on to our background. Time to bring in some soft, dreamy clouds. I'm grabbing my Altenew sticky mat to hold my cardstock in place, my trusty blue ink blending brush, and a cloud stencil. Starting from the bottom of my A2 panel, I'm blending the clouds upward, using lighter pressure as I go higher. This gives me a nice gradient effect, where the sky fades out softly. Such an easy way to add dimension to my background. For the sentiment, I'm sticking with the same You Are So Loved stamp set, and positioning it in the top quarter of the card. I'm stamping it with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink for that bold, crisp look. And with that, the background is done. Now for the fun part, building our design. I grab a small piece of Glad press and seal, seriously, this stuff is a game changer, and set it aside for a second. I start arranging my hands from the bottom up, forming 3 full rows. I also make sure not to repeat the same hands next to each other, switching up the sleeve colors for a more balanced look. To avoid a bulky look, I trim 1/4 inch off the sleeves of the top 2 rows so they tuck nicely behind the lower hands. Once I'm happy with the arrangement, I gently press my press and seal over the hands. This keeps everything in place so I can easily add glue to connect my hands and foam strips to the back for some dimension. Once my hands are adhered together and my foam is behind my hands die cuts, I carefully pick up my die cut cluster and place it over my background panel. I press everything down firmly and give it a few seconds so the adhesive can really stick. The dimension from the foam makes such a difference, giving the hands that nice raised effect. Time for the finishing touch, Stickles. I'm using Grapefruit, Twilight, and Hibiscus today, dabbing a little sparkle onto each heart. I fill each heart with the Stickles gel, and then I'm using the nozzle to push the glitter gel out to the edges. It's the perfect way to add a little shimmer and extra detail to the design. Now, I gently peel off my press and seal, which I always save and reuse, and that's it. A quick, meaningful card with stamping, coloring, dimension, and sparkle, all in just a few minutes. I hope you loved this 5-Minute Friday card. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun and easy card making tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!